Hello everybody, my name is Emma Bartlett, and I'm going to be talking about the voice typing feature in Google Docs. This is a great tool to show your students. It provides more options for the construction of a paper or other written assignment. Now, let's look at how it works. After you've opened your document, you will either press Ctrl-Shift-S, or if you're on a Mac, Command-Shift-S on the keyboard. Or you can go up here to Tools, click on it, click on Voice Typing, and then this icon will show up over here, and you just click on the mic. Once you have voice typing on, there's some pretty cool commands you can use. I don't have time to show you all of these, but you can view them by saying, "See all voice commands." See all voice commands. There we go. It's a little bit finicky, but it works. Under these, you can see if you need help, just basically telling you, make sure your microphone's on, different things you can use for like basic voice typing, like how to add punctuation and languages that it works with. Down here is where you get more of your more complicated commands, like selecting different types of text and even adding and editing tables. Something cool that I will show you that's pretty simple is just deleting something. Say, delete see all voice commands. And there you go. It's been deleted. Now that you know how this works, try showing it to your students. Students who struggle with using their hands, students that like to fidget with things while they work, even students who are just tired of using their hands all day. These students are going to appreciate this tool a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.